We're going to start tonight with those new developments in the Richneck Elementary shooting. First, the mother of the 6-year-old suspected of shooting his teacher is facing charges. Now more people could face criminal charges as well.
You're looking at the scene when it happened, the shooting that day near Richneck. And News 3 reporter Penny Commit tells us how the Commonwealth's attorney's petition to create a special grand jury could lead to additional criminal indictments.
It's now been over 3 months since police say a 6-year-old boy opened fire on his teacher here at Richneck Elementary School. And now, according to this petition for a special grand jury, more than just the boy's mother could be facing charges.
How likely is it that additional people will face charges?
I mean, this is an incredibly unusual case.
On Monday, a grand jury indicted Deja Taylor, mother of the 6-year-old Richneck Elementary School student that allegedly shot his first-grade teacher, Abigail Warner, with felony child neglect and a misdemeanor count of recklessly leaving a firearm in a manner that could endanger a child.
These are the two charges that I think that we expected.
Mario Lorello has worked within the Hampton Roads legal system for 13 years. For the mother to see jail time, he says prosecutors will have to prove she left the firearm out in a way that showed disregard for human life.
How was the weapon secured? The family, through their attorney, indicated that it had been secured. Somehow, though, the child got the weapon. And so the answer to that question is going to determine everything that occurs in this case.
We tried speaking with the mother to get her side of the story, but no one answered the door. Newport News Commonwealth's attorney has also filed a petition to create a special grand jury that will investigate school security issues that contributed to the shooting. Lorello says special grand juries are rare and give the 11 jurors the power to subpoena documents and witnesses without probable cause.
In order for the police to get access to that type of information, they have to issue a search warrant. And in order to get a search warrant, they have to have probable cause that a crime occurred or may have occurred. You don't have to have that probable cause standard if you're a special grand jury.
According to court documents, this special grand jury will spend 6 months investigating current and former Richneck Elementary School staff, as well as the Newport News school system. Anyone found criminally responsible for the January 6th shooting will then likely face charges. And we are expecting the mother of the 6-year-old alleged shooter to turn herself in sometime this week. That's according to her lawyers. In Newport News, I'm Penny Commit, News 3.